If there is any disturbance from any number, he asked me to send the details.
Sir, I am attending with another device because some that problem is there with my device, so I can't put my DP right now.
Okay then, okay then, okay then, no issues. If you have any such problems, okay. He said, if you are having any problem with any number and all, he said he asked me to give the details of that number and whoever is doing that, it seems they'll take care by going to some cyber cell. Cyber cell में complain करके, it seems they'll take care. So please don't do such things and you will be unnecessarily in trouble. I spoke to him on Saturday after the class. Sir, this was the problem I'm finding. What should I do? Then he said, you please give the details to me, sir. I'll handle it. You need not worry. We'll lodge a complaint with CyberCell. They will take care. I don't want things to be dragged to that extent. The problem is I do not know when to log the meeting. Mane, at what strength I should log? Should I log it at 30, 32 or should I wait? Because if I log the meeting and if you want to enter after that, it will be a problem for you.
You log after 15 minutes, sir.
Something we should do.
That may be better, sir. After 15 minutes, everyone would have joined.
Yeah, and regarding that problem which you raised on WhatsApp, which I saw today in the morning, answer is given as C over there or third option, but the answer is fourth option, man. Tan x into tan 4x is equal to 1, 0 less than x less than pi, sum of the solutions.
Sir, answer is C, but the given is D.
Answer is 2 pi.
Yes, sir. Answer is 2 pi.
Answer is 2 pi, sum of the solutions, but it is given there as what 5 pi by 2, which is wrong.
Oh, sir, 2 by only it's given also, sir.
You said C correct,
Sir,
no?
yes, sir. Answer is 5 pi by 2. We are getting.
I got 2 pi.
We are getting answer 5 pi by 2, but it is given 2 pi.
No,
I got 2 pi, sir.
answer is not. Wait, I'll go and check once again. Be on the line. Where is it? Wait, answer is given as. Is the answer given C or D?
D.
Answer is given D.
D, sir.
Answer is given D, 2 pi.
Yes.
2 pi only is correct.
Yes, sir, I got 2 pi.
2 pi only is correct. But you said your answer is
C. 5 pi by
C.
2.
No. Answer is not C. Answer D only is correct. Shall I solve it on the board?
Yes, sir.
Sir.
If I lodge the complaint to sir, they will do all. They will unnecessarily put you in trouble, man. Whoever is involved, tell them, please don't do such stuff. We should start a new topic, man. Wait. Look here. Tan x into tan 4x is equal to 1. How do you write this? Sin 4x by cos 4x. Sin x by cos x. Cross multiply. Sin 4x sin x is equal to cos 4x cos x. Take the two terms other side. Cos 4x cos x minus sin 4x sin x is equal to 0. बच्चे लोग clear so far? बच्चे लोग clear
Yes,
so
sir.
far? What is this one? Cos of right hand side. Cos pi by 2. What is the general solution? What is the general solution? 5x is equal to 2n plus 1 pi by 2. What is x is equal to 2n plus 1 pi by 10. Now check for this. Can n equal to 0? Yes.
Yes. 5 by 10.
Can n equal to 1?
5 by 10.
Yes. Can n equal to 2?
5 by 10.
Not possible.
This is where student makes a mistake. This is where student makes a mistake. Students common error. What is 5 pi by 10? Pi by 2. Put pi by 2. Tan 90 is in. N equal to 3. बच्चे लोग n equal to 3.
7 pi by 10.
7 pi by 10. This is for n equal to 3. Till where it goes?
9 pi by 10.
9 pi by 10. N equal to 4. Hello. This solution is not possible. बाकी के पूरे possible. Therefore, add all of them. 5 by 10, 3 pi by 10, 7 pi by 10, 9 pi by 10.
Pi.
9 plus 7, 16. 16 plus 4, 20. When you add 20 pi by 10, how much one? 2 pi. So answer is fourth option. Fourth option is correct. What's the key given there? Fourth option or third option?
Fourth.
Option only, sir.
Fourth option is correct. Chalo, take a fresh page. Put the heading. Matrices and determinants. Matrices and determinants. One of the most important chapters of +1 +2 syllabus. Very important one. Every JEE mains exam, you are getting one question. 2019, 2020 अभी नहीं हुआ. 2020 advanced paper. You had 6 questions from this. 2020 advanced question. Advanced paper. You had 6 questions from this. One of the most important chapters for JEE mains advanced. You will get sure short question from this chapter. This chapter is worth tons and tons and quintals and quintals. Very, very, very important chapter. divided into two parts. Part 1, matrices. Part 2, determinants. Matrices, entire theory. Matrices ka entire theory and problems. I posted yesterday. Did you receive them?
Sir.
Please share in the group. Every day I'll give homework from that. Every day I'll keep telling homework from that. I posted entire matrices problems yesterday. Can I clear this off? Nothing I wrote. Strength is 35. Shall I lock down?
Yes, sir.
No. Look here. What is a matrix? 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 Huh? Arrangement of numbers in rectangular arrays. Arrangement of numbers in rectangular arrays where horizontals are called
Rows.
rows, verticals are called columns. Please do not interrupt in the middle or talk in the middle. Abrar. Horizontals are called rows, verticals are called columns, is called the matrix. Generally denoted by capital letters A, B, C, D, so on. What I'm trying to tell you is A is equals to 1, 2, 3, 4, P, Q, R, A. Pay attention. What are horizontals called? This is row 1. This is row 2. Horizontals are called rows. Verticals are called columns. This is column 1, column 2, column 3, and column 4. Matrix A has 2 rows. How many columns? 4 columns. These rows and columns combined, is called order of the matrix. That is, we say A is of order 2 cross 4. You will not multiply these two and write 8. What does 2 stands for? 2
Rows.
stands for rows. 4 stands for I repeat, look at matrix A. Look at matrix A. Horizontals are called rows. Verticals are called columns. This matrix has 2 rows and 4 columns. This matrix has 2 rows and 4 columns. Row 1, row 2, column 1, column 2, column 3, column 4. We say A has 2 rows, 4 columns, and this number of rows, and number of columns constitute what is known as order of the matrix. Order of a matrix gives number of rows and number of columns. This matrix has 2 rows and 4 columns. We say A is of order 2 cross 4. One more point. How do I denote? I write this matrix A as A is equal to Aij 2 cross 4. What does this Aij 2 cross 4 stands for? What do you mean by this? A11, A12, A13, A14, 21, 22, 23, 24. What do this Aij stands for? Aij stands for it is an entry of a matrix which is located in row, ith row and jth column. Ith row and jth column. Look here. What does A21 stands for? A21 stands for entry of second row, first column. A13 stands for 1 stands for first row, 3 stands for third column. Look at this matrix. What is the entry of A23? A23. What does 23 stands for? Second row, third column. Second row, third column. 1, 2, 3. What is the entry of A23? A23 entries are for A23 is dash. What is A23? What is A23? R. A14. What does 14 stands for?
4.
14 stands for
4.
First row,
Mohammed
fourth
Shahwar
column.
Akhtar
fourth column.
entered waiting room. ये अपना क्लास का ही है.
Oh, sir.
Look here.
Voice,
What does 14
mute your
stands
mic.
for? 14 stands for entry of first row, fourth
Fourth
column. First row, fourth column. First row, fourth column. 1, 2, 3, 4. What is the entry? What is the entry? 4. What is A23 or A32? Now there is no 32, no? A21. What is A21? Entry of second row, first column. Second row, first column. Second row, first column. What is the entry, man? Is this clear? Any doubts? Any questions? I'm waiting. Come on, copy this. Very simple things. Chalo. Copy this fast.
Done, sir.
1 minute, sir.
1 minute, sir.
I'll wait, don't worry, copy fast.
Done, sir.
Done.
Done, sir.
Done, sir.
Done, sir.
Done, sir.
Sir.
Now, construct a, write this, all of you, write this. Let A is equals to capital A. A is equal to Aij. Wait. I'll write on the board. Construct a capital A, Aij, 4 cross 3 matrix, such that Aij is equals to 3i minus 4j by 2. How many rows matrix has? How
Four.
many rows matrix has?
4.
4,
How many columns it has?
3.
3.
What is the first entry?
A1 4.
First entry. A11 is the first entry.
Minus 1 by 2.
How is Aij defined? 3i minus 4j by 2. So what will be A11? What is A11?
Minus 1 by 2.
minus
3
of
into 1 minus 4 into 1 by 2 minus 1 by 2. What is second entry? Second entry A12. 3 into 1 minus 4 into 2
5 by
by
2.
2. 3 minus 8 minus 5 by 2. You should not write like this, man. Now write directly. A11 over A12 over next Next, A13, 3 minus 12. 3 minus 12, how much?
-9.
Minus 9 by 2. Next, A14. A14, 3 minus 4
Minus
fours is
13 by
16.
12.
Minus
Minus 13 by
Am I correct? Come on, fill the
only
remaining
3
entry.
columns, right?
There are 4 rows
Sir,
and 3
4 rows and
columns.
3 columns, sir.
The 4 rows and 3 columns.
For rows or for columns are only 3, no?
Sir.
Yes, sir.
Sorry. Chalo, complete the matrix. Complete the matrix. Come on.
Sir,
Chalo, complete the matrix. Fast.
Done, sir. Completed.
All of you.
sir, there will be
18.
Done, sir.
done, sir.
Done, sir.
Done, sir.
Yeah, you want to put some ink man. Bolo. Second entry. A21,
1.
1.
Minus,
A22,
minus 1.
A23,
Minus
Minus
3.
Minus 3.
A23,
minus 3.
Minus 3, sir.
A31,
5 by 2.
5 by 2.
A32,
1
1 by
by
2.
2.
A33,
Minus
Minus
3.
3 by 2.
A33,
Minus 3 by 2.
A34, A41.
4.
12 minus 4. Huh?
8 by
A41.
2. 8 by 2.
4, correct. A41. A42.
2.
42.
2, sir.
2, sir.
Two,
A42.
sir.
2, sir. 2.
Two, sir.
3 into 4 minus 4 into 2 by 2. How much one? 12
Two.
minus 8. 4 by 2. A43.
0.
Zero.
0.
All of you. Is this clear? I'm moving
Yes,
ahead.
sir.
I'm moving ahead.
Yes, sir.
Roll number 30. Is he there in the class today?
Yes, sir.
Roll number 30.
Yes, sir.
You were not there on Saturday and Friday, man.
Yes, sir. I didn't attend it.
Why?
Sir, for
Huh? Why, man?
sir, I went to my grandmother's home, sir.
What is that, man? If you have an internet connection and a smartphone, you can attend classes from anywhere. Now look at. Pay attention. Next point, man. Addition and subtraction of two matrices. Hello. You can add, you can subtract two matrices provided both the matrices are of same order and addition is done corresponding elements. I repeat, two matrices can be added. Two matrices can be added or subtracted if and only if both the matrices are of same order. And how is the addition done? Corresponding entries are added. What I'm trying to say is A is of order 3 cross 2. B is of order 2 cross 3. I want to add these two. What is the answer? What is the answer? Not defined.
Order is different.
A is of order. B is of order. Can you add them? Answer is yes. Is defined. It can be subtraction also. It can be subtraction also. A is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4. What is the order? 2 rows,
2.
2 columns. B is PQRS. How many rows? 2 rows, 2 columns. बच्चे लोग, what is A plus B? I said add the corresponding entries. First row, first column. First row, first column. First row, second column. First row, second column. Third row, first column. Sorry, second row, first column. Second row, first column. Second row, second column. Second row, second column. I said add or subtract corresponding entries. So what will I get? Hello.
P plus or minus 1.
1 plus P. I wrote A plus B here. 1 plus B. Bolo. 2 plus Q.
3 plus R.
R.
Plus S.
4 plus
Very simple thing, man. And what will be A minus B? Come on. Write A minus B. Copy this. Copy this.
Done, sir.
Done, sir.
Done, sir.
Finish, man.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
I'm clearing it off.
Yes, sir.
Next. As usual, equality of matrices. If you remember in 2D geometry, we did not do. In 2D geometry, school ka, when is ordered pair A comma B is equal to C comma D?
A is equals to C and B is equals to D.
When is ordered pair A comma B is equal to C comma D? 2D geometry में A is equal to C, B is equal to D. Matrices may be same thing. Second, A is of order 3 cross 7. B is of order 5 cross 8. Can these two matrices be equal? Can these two matrices be equal? Not possible. To define equality, both the matrices must be of same order. And when are they equal? Corresponding entries are equal. What I'm trying to say? Is this defined? Answer is yes. What's the order? 2 rows, 3 columns. This also 2 cross 3. Can these two be equal? Happens if and only if. What should happen, man? What should happen, man? Tell me.
A
A
equals
is equal to X.
B equals Y.
B equal to Y.
C
C
equals Z.
equal to Z.
P equals
P
L.
is equal to L.
Q
Q
equals
is
M.
equal to M.
R
R
equals
N.
Sir. You got stuck, sir.
Sir didn't get stuck.
Yeah. Look at 5. Come on, write this. Write this, copy this. To the last one. I'm waiting.
Sir, x is 2 and y is
X
1.
equals to 2. X equals
Sir,
to 2,
x
sir.
is equals to 2, y is equals to 1 and 2.
Sir, x equals to 2.
Equals to
Y
2.
is either
A is
1
1,
or
sir.
either 2. Sir, y is either 1 or 2 or 3.
Simple problem, man. थोड़ा
Y
दिमाग
equals
लगाओ,
to
कॉमन सेंस यूज करो. क्या है वो?
x equals to y equals to.
X is equals to 2, y is equals to 2 and 1.
Is Abdul Rahim our class? Roll number 2
Yes, sir.
is in waiting room. Shall I admit him?
He is already inside, sir.
But he said Abdul Rahim entered the waiting room. Roll number 2.
There is one Abdul Rahim in our class. Already he is there.
Already he is inside the class, sir.
Then how come there is
Don't
one more
allow,
Abdul
sir.
Rahim? Huh?
Don't allow, sir, please.
Don't allow.
He has DP, sir.
Sir, y will be either 2 or 3. It cannot be 1.
Ah, use common sense, man. चलो सोचो जी. In an exam, JEE means JEE advanced, you will not be asked a question 4 into 3 is equal to dash. Option A 10, option B 12, option C 11, option D 14. Will you be asked a problem of this kind in the exam? No. थोड़ा लॉजिक यूज करना, दिमाग यूज करना, कॉमन सेंस यूज करना. He will ask questions of that type. Hello, what is the answer? 2x plus 3, sorry, x plus 3 is equal to how much, man? What does it gives you? Equate these two. What will I get? What will I get? Bolo. Y square plus 2. Y square plus 2 is equal to what? 3y. Y square minus 3y. What are the roots? Hello. Hello. Next one. Next one. 0 equal to 0. No problem. Last one. Minus 6 is equal to. What will I get? Y square minus 5y. Y minus 2 into
Y is 2.
x. I am getting only one value, no problem. But y, I am getting 1, I have 2, I have 3. What all I should take?
2.
Can I take 1? If
No.
I take 1, what are these two? This will become 1 minus 5 minus 4. Is minus 4 equal to minus 6? No. If I take 3, 3 square is how much? 9. 3, 15. 9 minus 15 minus 6. These two equal. Put here 9 plus 2, 11. This is 9. Are these two equal? No. So what are the values? You should take only common values. 1 नहीं लेना, हाँ 3 नहीं लेना.
2.
Common values. Therefore, What is your x?
2.
Agreed?
Done, sir.
Can I clear it off?
Sir.
Yes, sir.
Hopefully, I'm very clear. Hopefully, I'm very clear, and I made you understand why you should not take y is equal to 1 and y is equal to 3. दोनों का common value लेना. Is this clear?
Yes, sir.
Sir.
You try to share numbers among yourself. If you are late to the class, you message one of your friends wherein you ask so that your friend will tell me in the class, Ki sir, you allow so and so gentleman into the class. Then I will allow. Okay? Look here. Next. Multiplication by a scalar. Simple man. A is equal to Aij. Some M cross N matrix. Then what is lambda A? Lambda Aij M cross N. What am I trying to tell you? What am I trying to tell you? What am I trying to tell you? Then what is minus 3a? Multiply each and every entry by minus 3. What does it gives you? Tell me.
Minus 3.
Minus 3. Why
अरे
minus 3?
Sir,
three
only
Three, sir.
3.
Plus
3,
three.
sir.
Plus 3 minus
Minus
Plus
9.
9.
9.
Minus
Plus
Minus
12.
12.
minus 2,
0.
0. 0.
0.
6.
Minus 6.
minus 6,
Minus
Minus
9.
9.
Come on, write this.
Done, sir.
Done, sir.
Please,
Yes, sir.
in the homework, in the files which I have sent yesterday, homework for tomorrow, textual exercise 1, subjective, textual exercise 2, subjective, and textual exercise 3, subjective. समझ में आया?
Yes, sir.
Textual exercise 1, textual exercise 2, textual exercise 3, all three subjective, and there are some worked examples also in between. Solve those worked examples. Okay.
Sir,
Before playing any game, we should know the rules. What are these rules called? Definitions. Look here. Pay attention. M is equal to 1. What do M stands for?
Number of rows. Rows.
N stands for what do you mean by M is equal to 1? Number of rows are restricted to 1. Such a matrix is called row matrix. Example. How many rows it has?
Only one.
How many columns it has? 1, 2, 3, 4. Is a row matrix. N is equal to 1. Bolo.
column matrix.
Column matrix. Example. How many rows it has? How many rows it has? P, Q, R, S, T. How many rows it has? 5. How many columns it has? 1. This is called
Rectangular matrix.
rectangular matrix. Can you give me one example? Alpha, beta, gamma, theta, delta, phi. How many rows it has? 2 rows. How many columns it has? 3 columns. Is number of rows equal to number of columns? No. It is called rectangular matrix.
Square matrix.
What is this called?
Square matrix.
Last. All entries Zeros.
Null matrix.
All entries zeros.
Null matrix.
Entries
Null matrix.
Aij where Aij is
J
equal to
equals
0
0.
for all I comma j. Such a matrix is called
Null matrix.
null matrix. It is also called
Zero
zero
matrix.
matrix. It is denoted by O, capital O. What is the order? One row, one column. What is the order? Two rows, two columns. What is the order? Two rows, three columns. So I repeat, एक ही रो मैट्रिक्स, एक ही column matrix. Number of rows not equal to number of columns. Number of rows not equal to number of columns. Rectangular matrix. Number of rows equal to number of columns. Square matrix. All entry zeros. It is a null matrix. Follow? Copy this fast.
Completed, sir.
1 minute, sir.
Two people entered the waiting room.
Yes, sir. You can admit Abdul Rahim, sir.
Aijaz Hassan and Abdul Rahim. Should I enter them?
Yes, sir. Abdul Rahim messaged me that he's having problem with this device, so he logged in from another device. Admit him, sir.
Yes, sir. I just also message. I just also, sir.
Because of one student's mischief, you see so many are suffering. Earlier,
Sir.
I never locked the meeting, or I never logged meeting and all such stuff. I don't do. In fact, your seniors also, hello, they are seniors. I teach for SL. I teach Latifi batch. Some non-Latifi batch students also join my class. They listen. I never say no. I allow them because I never lock my meetings. If somebody is interested to listen, what is there? Do we lose anything if somebody listens?
Sir.
It is. If a student feels that he can gain some knowledge by listening to my class, I'll always welcome him. There is no problem for me. So I never log meetings and all such stuff. Because of Saturday's mischief, I'm forced to do all this.
Before this was happening only in chemistry classes, sir, but now it's happening in both physics and chem maths.
Physics class also it is happening.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. So much, sir.
Physics it's happening a lot.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. After that only it came to.
First, it was happening only in Arif sir class, then it started in Krishna Mantra class, and then physics, and then US.
Even the gentleman who is doing, he is not, it's only fun for him. He want to create some mischief. He doesn't have any bad intention. It is fun for him, but he is not understanding that he is unnecessarily disturbing others. Your fun should not disturb others. Fun part should be in such a way that others also should be the part of your fun. When do you call something as a joke? When the opposite person listens to it and he also laughs. If you only laugh, say for example, you are three people, you tell something, you only laugh, other two does not laugh. Is it called a joke? No. When is something funny, then others also enjoy. When others are not enjoying, you are not supposed to do it. Simple logic. Anyhow, can I continue?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Or sir.
Look here. These are some special types of matrices. Now look here. A is equal to Look at the condition. N cross N. So what sort of matrix A is now? What sort of matrix A is now? Tell me, man.
Square matrix.
A has to be a square matrix. There are different types of square matrices now. One, it is called or already we wrote Aij there, no? Aij is equal to 0 for I greater than j. This is called upper triangular before this I should speak about something, man. I forgot. Don't write this. This is not another type of matrix. A is equal to entries along A11, A22, A33 are called diagonal entries. Remember, diagonal is spoken for a square matrix. Non-square matrices cannot have diagonals. A is equal to, this is diagonal of a matrix. Hello, there is something called diagonal matrix. Diagonal matrix is different, diagonal of a matrix is different. A is equal to, what happens? A has no diagonal. Why? 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 Since A is a rectangular matrix. Now look at. What is diagonal of B? Diagonal of B is how much, man? 7. C is equal to, what is diagonal of C?
5.
Diagonal of C. Diagonal of C. Diagonal of C. 1 and 5. What is -1, 5, 4, 3, 2, -1, 3, 9, 11. Why you are logging out, man? Network issues. Look here. Look at this. What is this entry called? A11, A22, A11, A22, A33. Now, tell me what is diagonal of D? Diagonal of D. What is it?
Minus 1, 2,
Diagonal of
and
D.
11.
-1,
Minus
2,
2, 11.
11.
Minus 1 to 11.
Copy this.
Sir,
Yes, listening.
sir, in that D, in the fifth one, D matrix, can't 4 to 3 be a diagonal?
No. This
Of
won't be
that D.
diagonal. This won't be diagonal. This won't be diagonal. Only I said A11, A22. What's the position? A13. What's the position?
A22.
A22. What's the position? A31. A31.
Done, sir.
Done, sir.
Yes, sir.
Done, sir.
Please let me know once you're done.
Done, sir.
1 minute. Sir.
Done, sir.
Sir.
Can I?
Sir.
Yes, sir.
1 minute, sir.
I repeat, man.
You
There is
can
a
rub,
difference
sir.
between diagonal of a matrix and diagonal matrix. Diagonal of a matrix, diagonal matrix. Diagonal of a matrix, diagonal matrix. Now, A is equal to what sort of a matrix? Is a square matrix. Pay attention. Do not write. Listen here. Aij 0. This is called upper triangular matrix. Now tell me one 3x3 matrix. 1 1 1 2 1 3 2 1 2 2 2 3 3 1 3 2 3 3 3 1 3 2 3 3. Where all I greater than j. I greater than J, I greater than J, I greater than J, I greater than J. Where all I greater than J? Above the diagonal or below the diagonal? Above the
Below the
diagonal or below the
diagonal.
diagonal? I
Below.
greater than J. I equal to J. I less than J. I less than J. I greater than J. I equal to J. I less than J. I greater than J. I greater than J. I equal to J. Where all I greater than J? Above diagonal or below diagonal? Below diagonal. What
Below.
should be those entries become? What should those entries become?
0.
Zero. Can you tell me? Is this an upper triangular matrix? One more example. Upper triangular matrix. Follow.
Zero, sir.
Sir, this is a
Zero. That matrix zero.
This is not be 0 1. All these are upper triangular matrices. Exactly opposite. Exactly opposite. What is it called? Exactly opposite. What is it called?
I less than J.
Triangle.
Lower triangular.
Lower triangular matrix.
Next. AIJ. What is it called? Lower triangular matrix. Here what happens? Entries follow below diagonal are all. Here what happens now? Entries above diagonal you write examples. You will write examples. Now look at pay attention now. Zero I not equal to J. Hello. Hello. 0 I not equal to J. Alright, time is up, man. Can I continue?
Yes, sir.
What is this called? Diagonal matrix. What is my I not equal to J? I not equal to J, 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 I not equal to. What is this matrix called? Diagonal matrix.
Diagonal.
If I equals to
I not equal to J, it should be 0. Here also it can, hello, look at this. What is this?
I equal to J.
Null matrix.
Triangular matrix.
In the LTM, lower triangular matrix, upper triangular matrix, diagonal matrix. This satisfies all. This satisfies all. It's a lower triangular matrix, it's an upper triangular matrix, and it's a diagonal matrix. It satisfies everything. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Moving ahead. Now, Aij 0, K square. Bolo. 5 0. I is equal to J, entries must be equal. Look at the difference. Below 0, here, above 0, here, below above 0, below above 0, both. Here, below above 0, but they must be equal along the diagonal. Minus 7 0 0. I repeat. First one, below diagonal 0. Second one, above diagonal 0. Third one, above diagonal, below diagonal 0. Fourth one, above diagonal 0, below diagonal 0, and diagonal entries must be equal. Come on, copy this.
Completed, sir.
Done, sir.
Completed, sir.
Completed, sir.
Done, sir. Completed.
Done, sir.
Completed, sir.
Completed. Done. Finished.
Sir, completed, sir.
Go.
Done, sir.
Go. Class is over.
Can I clear this off?
Yes, sir. Done, sir.
Okay,
Yes,
then.
sir.
Thank you. We shall meet tomorrow. Same time. Log in fast. Don't be late.
Okay, sir. Thank you,
Okay,
sir.
sir. Thank you very much, sir.